How to install theme in your WordPress website. Hello everyone, welcome back my another WordPress tutorial. In this video I'm going to share with you how to install theme in your WordPress website. So first of all we have to go the WordPress admin dashboard. Look at that, this is the WordPress admin dashboard, and now we have to go the left side appearance. So look at that, this is the appearance. Under the appearance we have to click the themes. So if I'm going to click on the themes, then look at that, here is lots of theme already installed. So click on the add theme and then search here whatever you want to install theme, but I would like to install this hello Elementor theme. So click on install and then look at that, it installing, already it installed. Okay, so to activate the theme, click on activate and then it will be activate automatically. Okay, so look at that, it activate hello Elementor theme. So if I'm going to visit the website, then look at that, this look like this. Okay, so this is the actual thing actually. Thank you so much for watching this video.